Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Vidyard account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your Vidyard? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Zoom account to Vidyard anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing Zoom meetings, you know that oftentimes you can run those Zoom sessions and turn them into content. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Vidyard dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Vidyard account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Zoom account, here on the left side, you're going to click on this button here, Admin. It looks like 3 little people. Once you do that, you'll see another drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Integrations. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the Zoom logo right here. And then you're going to click on, okay, once you do that, Zoom's going to open up a browser, and you need to enter in your email address and your password to your Zoom account. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, once you entered in your login credentials, click on sign in. Okay, once you do that, Zoom's going to warn you that you're about to share this information with Vidyard. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on allow. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and as you can see under the Zoom logo, that we are now connected with our Zoom account here. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Zoom account to your Vidyard account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.